Good morning to everyone. Welcome to FAQ, a podcast of AILS. Today's topic is not just a social issue, it is a grave violation of law of human rights. Honor killing is often justified in the name of tradition, but the law is clear. Murder has no excuse. This session aims to examine the issue through legal and constitutional laws. To explore honor killing, I welcome Sandeep sir.
Good morning to all.
Good morning, sir. Yeah. Today we are talking about what is honor killing and what is meant about it. My question is, what is meant by honor killing?
Actually, the honor killing is one of the severe topic in this society, where the world itself honor killing suggests that killing for the honor. Like basically, the honor killing means killing or a murdering of a person, of a family, to promulgate, like to justify the honor of the family. It is like killing a person or a family member which has been killed by a family or relatives for the honor of the family or the caste, which is often used to happen for women itself.
Yes, sir. I respect your answer, sir. My next question is honor killing is valid defense under Indian law?
uh, where honor killing is completely, it's not a valid defense under Indian law, because where honor killing itself defines that it is a type of murder or killing a person itself is a crime, then how could it can be taken as a defense under Indian law?
As your statement, sir, the honor killing is a crime. Then my question is, which constitutional rights are violated by honor killing?
Like as I told earlier that killing a person itself is a crime, which is applicable to honor killing itself. Under Indian Constitution, where we can see under the Article of 21, Article 14, Article 19, where Article 21 says about the right to life and right to choice, where honor killing often happens for where the girl child will choose her partner of her own choice, where family often sees as an dishonor to the family, our family or caste. So basically, uh, what happens in honor killing means the family member itself like kill the person who had made the family dishonor or who had committed the sin, where according to the Indian mindset, Indian people's mindset, like marrying a person from intercaste marriage or any other person who is lower in social status relating to those families is an sin according to it. So Article 21, Article 14 and Article 19 comes under this honor killing, where right to life, where Article 14 says about there is like right to equality, and Article 19 says about right to choice. These are the constitutional rights.
Yeah, we are just saw the aspects of law and about what is honor killing. Then my question is, what are the causes of honor killing in India?
We all know that India is a well-versed cultural country where it has been developing since from when we got freedom. Like in India, mainly the honor killing were practiced in huge numbers in the ancient period, where certain members of the family were killing the persons for the family honor. Like the main causes for this honor killing were mainly likely, firstly, uh, intercaste marriage between the families, or secondly, if a girl marries a person who is the boy is like under or below the age, below the social status of the family, like I think the main object or the main cause for this honor killing is the mindset of the people that marrying a person of another caste, like intercaste marriage, is a sin. This mindset is the main cause for the honor killing itself.
Yes, sir. Which provisions of BNS apply for this honor killing?
Like as I told that honor killing itself says about killing or murdering a person is a crime according to Indian law. Where honor killing particularly not directly defined under any of the section, but under BNS, where the section 103, which defines about the murder, where under honor killing, murder is a crime. In honor killing, there is a committing of murder by a person. Murder, section 103, and also from the section 100, section 100, culpable homicide, where the person have the knowledge of what he is doing, like what he is committing, the crime for murdering a person for the honor of the family. So basically, these all sections includes for the honor killing.
Yes, sir. Constitution rights. Yes, let's come to a constitution rights. Explain honor killing. Is that violation in Article 21?
So, what Article 21 of our Indian Constitution says that every person has a right to life and right to choice, and also has the right to livelihood. Where honor killing itself says that it is a crime or an offense of murdering a person due to the person has been dishonored in the family, or it where the person has committed sin, like there have been sin like that. Where Article 21 says the right to life is the main aim of Article 21. While in honor killing, where person have been killed for this, the family honor has been disturbed by the person. So Article 21 plays an important role for protecting those rights of the individuals.
Yes, Sandeep sir. We came across the causes of honor killing in India. And my next question is, which provisions of BNS apply to honor killing?
As I earlier told that honor killing is a crime of committing a murder. So under BNS, where section 101 defines the murder where a person has been killed by another person, and also the section 103 which defines about the punishment for the murder or certain kinds of the murder, and also some related sections like under BNSS where it deals with the culpable homicides for this honor killing itself. So under these sections we can see that honor killing can be punishable by these sections.
Yes, sir. There is some honor killing. There are punishments in BNS. And let's come to our constitutional articles where explain honor killing as violation in Article 21. How it's violates in Article 21.
As in our under our Indian Constitution, Article 21 mainly speaks about the right to life and personal liberty of an individual person, where honor killing is killing of a person for the choice which has she made for choosing a life partner of an lower caste or the lower status of her family. So basically, by this honor killing, like taking a life of a person or taking a rights of a person for choosing his life partner, has been violating the fundamental rights of those person under Article 21. So this way we can relate Article 21 is violating
honor killing.
honor killing.
Yeah, okay. There are some cases, Mr. Sandeep sir, which highlights honor killing. One of them is Lada Singh versus Uttar Pradesh 2006. What is your point of view about it?
Actually, the Lata Singh case is a very quite interesting case, where for the first time the Supreme Court held that the intercaste marriage is not a sin or it is not an illegal activity like marrying a person of other caste. It is not a crime under the Indian law, where Supreme Court held this decision. And later, in that case only, the Supreme Court told that like choosing a life partner is a rights of a person to choose a life partner of her choice or of him choice.
Okay. And there is another case, sir. Shakti Vahini versus Union of India, 2018. What is opinion about it?
For in the case where Shakti Vahini case, where Supreme Court held that the honor killing is must be stopped. So the Supreme Court laid down some guidance to prevent the honor killing in India, whereas like preventing like giving the rights to choice the life partner, and also there should be a protection given for the couples, like couples should be protected under the law, where if the couples are above the 18 years, like major couples should be protected in that case.
Yes, sir. Can honor killing be justified in name of culture or tradition? This is a huge question, sir.
Actually, this is quite an controversy topic. Like if we talk about culture or religious,
Yes, sir.
so like honor killing is a crime according to the law. So it should be a crime, I think. So culture can't be blamed. Like honor killing is a culture. Like if any culture which says that killing a person or taking the life of a person or taking the rights of a person to choose his own life partner, if any culture says that lie, then it's not a proper culture. Like in this modern uh, period or modern generation, where the people have to take I mean, I am not completely opposing the cultural points here, but I am trying to say that we have to take only the positives, like in culturals, where in our culture where India is a very wide big country which cultural
Yeah, many cultures.
natures,
Yeah.
but we should really want to take only the positive sides of the culture,
Yes.
not the negative. Like killing a person for the honor of the family is not quite being cultural, I think so.
Yeah.
So honor killing is an crime according to law. Any culture or any other culture says that it is a sin or a taboo or it is a crime under the culture is not been accepted completely.
Yeah.
So we should, as the generation of the youth of this generation, we should like promote for the anti-honor killing. Like we should need to stop the honor killing. But recent studies have been confirmed that honor killing has been reduced nowadays due to the new laws implementations and also the westernization and also the uh, see, generations has been developing. So my basic conclusion is we can't say that it is an sin under the culture. We can say that it is an offense under the law as a youth of this generation.
Yes, sir. Thank you for your opinion about the honor killing, sir. We have got many educational values of the honor killing and the knowledge about the honor killing. Thank you for your what a valuable speech, sir. Thank you.
It was very honorable to talk to you, sir.
Yeah.
You are welcome.